Funnel chart. A funnel chart is specialized chart type that demonstrates the flow of users through a business or a sales process. The chart takes its name from its shape, which starts from a broader head and ends in a narrow neck. The number of users at each stage of the processes are indicated from the funnel's width as it narrows. Let's begin with the funnel chart. This is my data. You can see it here. I'm going to unhide some of my data and you will see I prepared this data based on 12 months. Whatever I have it, I made it here. I'm going to hide it back. I don't want to show. Hide, and I'm just going to remove this chart and selecting my data. I selected this data, insert, go to chart types. You will find here more chart titles, funnel. Okay, you can see it here. My funnel chart is ready. Now might be you are a little bit worried about that it was very colorful and now it's not. You can make it your chart colorful. How? I will tell you. For example, here this color I choose. Go back home and I will select my colors from here and you will see it as per my requirement. I'm changing the colors of my tabs and it will be similar to my colors what I choose, and you can see this one. So this is my chart, and just click here on the numbers. If not so, you can format the series and this will come in front of you. You can reduce the size of the gaps, or see here you can increase or decrease. It's up to your requirement. Just click on the numbers and come here. Here you can see the value. These are values which are showing it here, and if you want to change it to category name, it will show you the category. You can see it here clearly. It is changed to the category. If you want to comma, semicolon, new space, new line, anything, you can see it. It's up to you what you are looking for. Here the number formats are available as well. You need a number, you need currency and accounting numbers, dates, anything you want, you can make it. I'm going to keep it as it is, numbers, and not in a line, in a column. If you want series name, you can bring it here. Okay, I don't want it, I just need this information, so I brought it here. Here just click on this one and you can make a chart title here, sales data, and here this one as well we can create. Just highlight this information and go back to insert and funnel chart. It's there now, you can see it. It's up to you. See, it starts from the, as I explained it, it is starting from the highest number and it is coming down to the bottom and the narrowest point. The payment is at narrowest point now. So this is our charts which I told you. You can select your data, you can make your formattings, everything, whatever as per your requirements now. Thank you very much.